Alright, chat, we are live. I see there were 2 people waiting already for today's stream. We are live though. And we are still pumping. I'm still gonna wait for my short, guys. I wanna be patient here. I do have 2 shorts. No, wait, 1 short placed right now though. I think we are live though. Let me know in the chat if the music is working and the mic is working as well, but it should be working. What a slow pump day since yesterday. It's good that we didn't go into a sell at the first level yesterday. That was the right decision, by the way. And honestly, longing yesterday was also kind of hard. Like the only long yesterday would have been at the daily VWAP retest, honestly. But that was also not an A+ setup, so I don't really care that we did long yesterday as well. But we did long the exact low of this whole upwards movement, so we did actually long that. But we were obviously forced out of the trade on the proper counts. But we did still long the exact low, chat. This is kind of crazy. We're in a long from here, chat. We were in a long actually from this level here. 6832 was my entry of my long. So we longed the exact high. This is not correct, by the way. I need to remove this. Oh wait, I need to do it over the object tree. There we go. So yeah, this was actually kind of crazy that we longed exact low. We're pumping still. We have news coming out, by the way, in 12 minutes. So I want to wait after the news before I place any trade. I'm gonna wait for this news. I don't want to short here yet because of the news, actually. We're gonna give it some time, 12 minutes to go, and then the news will come in. Wait, am I live even yet? Did I press go live? Yes, I am. But there are 2 people in the chat already. I need to probably quickly post that I am live. CryptoButter is here in the chat. Let me quickly post this. Wait, I'm gonna switch over to Trading View so you can see my trades. Gonna switch over to Trading View. Meanwhile, I post my stream on Twitter and also on Discord. So I have this sell limit placed. We might enter a sell, by the way, after the news. We might enter a sell then, but I don't want to place a limit order here yet because of the news. Maybe we see a massive green candle. Or blue candle, I should say. Luis is also in the chat. Frezzy is also back on the stream. Cool. Nice to see you guys. I hope you had a great start. Alright, I'm quickly gonna post... Wait, let me put this like this here so you guys can see it. There we go. And I'm gonna quickly gonna post my stream. How are you guys doing? The weather is so nice today. So I might not stream too long. I hope you can find a quick trade after the news. So yeah, I hope for that actually. Oh wait, I actually already posted it on X. I'm not gonna post it again on X. I'm gonna just post it on Discord. That's enough. Live now. There we go. There we actually go, chat. We did it. Did I miss something? Just had to restart. No, you didn't miss anything. I'm just waiting for the news. We have the news coming out in 10 minutes. So I'm waiting. I had a sell placed here, but I don't want to have this sell limit placed during the news. So we're just gonna wait out the news. But I want to actually look for a short today. I want to look for 1 short. Because we're at an area where I want to look for shorts. But yeah, it's kind of risky to enter a trade right now. 10 minutes before the news, so we're just gonna wait. But I have this sell limit placed in case you see a really quick pump. Then I will just leave this here running. So we're gonna go back to extra charts now. Let's go back to extra charts. We had some bearish prints here as well, but I didn't trade this. You're still above the daily VWAP. It's still looking bullish, by the way. We are still in uptrend. So we gotta be patient. Jan Hammer is also back in the stream. Man, a lot of people watch the streams over and over. That's so cool. Only need the algorithm to slowly pick me up. But I'm getting new subscribers every stream. Even though it's not a lot, I get like around 5 new subs every stream. I need to see who subs to me, by the way. I need to somehow... So I can actually call them out live when they sub to me. Wait, maybe actually I can see this here. Activity feed, there we go. Oh wait, this is insane. Does it actually work like this? Oh wait, this is so cool. I need to add this to my OBS. This is insane if this works. Then I can actually see all the subs and if people, follow, subscribe and stuff like this. Yeah, this is cool. Wait, let me add this. Docs. Where is it? Wait, how do I do this? It's a doc. You can also add as a widget, but I don't need a widget. Custom browser docs. I think this is it, right? Yeah, this must be it. Now we call it activity feed. And paste this here. Apply. And I did it actually, chat. Now I can also see... Yes, let's go. Now I can also see all the people that sub to my channel. That's really cool. I'm gonna place this here. Wait, where did it go? Batched is also back in the stream. Welcome back, Batched. How are you? I just figured out something really cool, but I need to... Wait, where did it go? Where did it go to? I can also put it here, actually. Let's put it here. Man, my streaming setup is getting clean, chat. My streaming setup is getting really clean. Slowly but surely. Alright, now I can see the subs. There we go. Now I can see the chat here. We are waiting for a sell, Batched. We are waiting for a sell. Let me quickly do this. Alright, now I can see the subs. This is insane. So we had Sarah Fix that subbed yesterday. We had Tank Dolphin also who subbed. I wonder if this is gonna really actually work properly. Because I know I got more subs than this in the past days, and it shows one from yesterday only. Strange. Whatever, let's see. So we are waiting for news. 5 minutes to go, chat. 5 more minutes to go for the news to drop. Then we will see some activity, hopefully. These are red folder news, so they should have some high impact. And I actually want to look for a sell, but we have to be also careful, chat. We have to be careful with these sells. Trust me. So I want to wait for this news, because we cannot predict the news. We either gonna dump or pump from the news, basically. And I hope we're gonna pump, so we can actually look for an entry higher. Do you see any confluence on your side for a buy limit at around 6936? Let's see for crypto butter if I can find anything here. 69. Yeah, wow, yeah. There's a massive level at 6937.25. There's a time and session point of control here. Let's see if you have anything else. This is already a nice confluence to have, if you have anything else there. But this is exactly at your level, by the way. That's cool. What do you say? 6936, do you have anything else? At 6907, looks juicy as well. Maybe. If we go lower. 6949, 6907, and 7015. The upside from here. Then what else do we have here? Nothing that interests me. What else do we have here? And that's the one I showed you, 6953 and 6937 and 6911. These are 3 strong levels. I'm personally also not gonna trade 6953, I think, that's too risky. 6937 and 6911 looks better. But here you can see crypto, but it is exactly your level. This is exactly your level. So yeah, let's see. But I also would like a long from lower. I would also take a long from lower because we are still bullish. I'm just really careful on shorts, guys. You have to be careful with shorts because we are in high time frame, still in the uptrend. We are at the highs right now, but not at the full highs. Wait, let me show you. On trading view. Very nice, thanks for checking. No worries. Let me see. Let me show you here as well, chat, what I mean. So we have, so this is the downtrend we are in, or we were in, from January 2026 until now. So you can see we are getting close to this resistance area here as well. We actually retested this 1 hour level to the dollar, by the way, yesterday, but you couldn't trade this. This was at after market close. So this pump was after market close. We were in a short here, stopped. I went out basically break even because of the market close, and then there was this pump to the level that we wanted to short. I actually had a short here as well at 6980. This was a level as well, but we couldn't trade this. So yeah, now it's kind of messed up. The whole chart is a little bit messed up because we already hit this. So yeah, I'm probably gonna wait. So this is the level I have placed, 71050, because we have a resistance here. And we also have the Orderflow level at 7015, which is a little bit higher. But this is on the ES price chart, so you have to always, the entry should always be a little bit lower. So yeah, I'm probably gonna wait for this, or maybe if you see a pump up to here, we can try one short here. But this is the safer setup. This and this level here is a really strong resistance level. 730 and 710 are some really strong resistance levels. But on the other hand, this is the thing, if we go out of here, it could also be a breakout. But I don't think, but who knows, that we're gonna pump above here today. That would be crazy. After already going up so much, but I said this here, by the way, chat. I told you, this is why I never look for shorts here. I told you this on stream where we were at this level here. And we also longed this, by the way, we longed the low here as well. But we were forced out of the trade, sadly, because you cannot hold trades on prop firm accounts. But we were in a long from here, chat. I'm actually going to post this as well as a whole separate YouTube video. So you can see this exact trade. We longed the exact low here, by the way. 6832. But we're forced out of it, and that's the thing. That's a little bit annoying, because I also said I would love to hold this trade from here. But yeah, we're gonna look for one sell if we go higher, or for longs from lower, because we are still in a bullish market structure. But as you can see, also long is kind of risky because we are at the very high. So we need to be careful today. We need to be a little bit careful. But this is my approach to today. But we are still in green. We hadn't had a single losing day, chat, so it's all good. It's all good. I'd rather wait for a really good trade instead of rushing into sell right now. And we have news now, chat. Now it's news time. So far, not a strong impact. But these are the levels I'm waiting for. But you guys can do whatever you want. These are my levels. You can try a short here. It can work out. But I want to wait a little bit further. Another Barry CVD print though here. Three Barry CVD prints in a row, almost. So the news are out. They didn't have any impact. What? Right, they're out. Oh no, they're not out yet. Actually, they're about to be released soon, I guess. Not released yet, so we are waiting. I was only gonna say there was no impact. Now it should be released, right? Still pumping a bit. Inner Law Futures is back in the chat as well. Welcome back. Welcome back, my friend. Can't see your screen. Really? Are you sure? Can't see your screen. Chat, can you see my screen? You should see my screen. Can anyone please confirm if you can see my screen or not? It should be moving. Look, I'm moving now. It is moving on my OBS. It is live. You're on 15-minute time frame though, chat. I can go to 5 minutes if you want. We're on 50 minutes, right? 15-minute time frame. We do. Alright, good. You want to go to 5 minutes? Alright, let's go to 5. It's anyways better as well. For now, we need to see. Your screen is not showing. What? That is really strange. Wait, let me reload everything. Can you see this now? Can you see TradingView now? This should work. Yes, all fine. I think it's an issue on your side, Inner Law. I think it's an issue on your side. No unemployment claims never react too much anymore, since the numbers are always connected several times later. Oh, okay, I see. It had almost no impact, I guess. Guys, is this gonna be one of these slow pump days? I mean, is anyone of you looking for a short as well? I don't know. This price action is strange today. We might just wait for New York Open, actually. What do you think, chat? I mean, we are at resistance now, but I don't like this level because it has been touched before. Yesterday we touched all the levels. Yesterday after market close, we touched the 1 hour level and everything, so it's kind of annoying. So I don't trust these levels as much anymore. We might just wait for 7.010.50. I think that's the plan. It's a really clean entry based on TradingView as well, not only an order flow level. It's a really clean order flow level and 1 hour resistance as well. We are pumping. Let the market pump, chat. Remember, we need one good entry, chat, and we can chill. And it makes more sense to wait now, I think. It makes more sense. We have New York Open still. And we are above the daily VWAP. It's still bullish. Still bullish, the market structure. We are still going higher. I would love to see 710. I can show you the level I'm waiting for, actually. Let me show you quickly. Here you can see it, chat. It's on 715, but I'm gonna enter at 710 because these levels are from ES and not from micro ES, so there is a small difference usually. But this was the level that I wanted to trade, by the way. This was the level we wanted to trade, and it got hit as well after New York Open. I mean, after market close yesterday. So this is why I'm a little bit careful. I don't like to trade these levels on the second touch. 715 is the next one. Yeah, so we're probably gonna wait for this. I mean, I have a limit placed at 710. 7010. Wow. Big sellers here. Hey Sato. I'm new into your streams, but how many things... Wait, put so many things in the Discord. Thanks for sharing so much value. Do you trade with TPO and auction market theory? Do you mainly look out for naked point of controls? Yeah, I do use Orderflow. I use Exo charts. So I trade TPO charts, yes. And I look at naked point of controls a lot, yes. I use session, daily, weekly, monthly naked point of controls. And I do look at the context. So all these levels I trade, they also depend on the context. I do not trade every level. For example, you look here. Wait, let me show you one template to show you an example. I do not trade all these levels. Here you can see a lot of levels. So I trade all these levels based on the context, but obviously they're often really accurate. So we long, this was the long we took, by the way. This is the exact long we took. We longed the low of ES, but we couldn't hold this for a long time because of the market close. But this was the exact low that we longed, by the way, chat. Look at this. So absolutely beautiful, that trade. But yes, I use Exo charts, but you can also use Atos, or how you call it. It's a really good program as well. But I'm happy with my setup. I'm completely happy. There's like no need for me to switch between another one. Still a lot of buyers here, crazy. But that long was insane, chat. That was an absolute banger long, and I'm gonna post the whole recap of this long, by the way, so you can look it back for the new people in the stream. I'm gonna post this. The video is being edited, so I found someone that's gonna help me with editing my videos, and he's working on it right now. So it's probably gonna be uploaded by today or maybe tomorrow. We'll see. So I'm gonna upload a lot of recaps out of the stream. Like edits out of the stream, so you guys can actually rewatch the trades as well if you missed them, if you weren't able to watch the stream live. How do you confirm on the microstructure when reaching one of these levels? I look at absorption or CVD prints. CVD I like to look at as well, and delta. CVD, delta, volume. These are the main things that you can also see here. Delta, volume, and so on. But right now we are just waiting because I still want to wait a little bit for higher. As I said, we have the next Orderflow level at 7015. Do we have anything else, by the way? Do we actually have anything else? But with the value area high at 6975. $6,975, previous value area high of the session here. This actually, yeah, this is also a decent setup actually. But I would love to see this here, chat. I would love to see this level hit. 7015. Here I'm 100% gonna look for a short. The question is just, should we risk one more trade lower? That is my question that I'm currently asking myself. Should I risk one more setup lower? Or should I just wait for my best setup basically? Because the thing is, if you look on TradingView, if you actually look at the structure on TradingView, I'm gonna show it to you. So if you look at the structure, with a downtrend, we should not reclaim this. And this would also be at 6975. And if we go to 7010, this is basically a breakout already. Unless it's a really quick wick that goes back into this downtrend here. So yeah, it's a little bit difficult. Still considering. But Orderflow still looks bullish. And I think if we have a really bullish week, we can easily go up here as well. So I'm kind of careful as well with the shorts, as you can see. Trying to only catch the best ones. And we are breaking out of this very high right now. What is the 4-hour RSI at? Not at fully overbought yet, but the 1 hour was crazy yesterday. Look at this 1 hour yesterday. I'm gonna leave this placed though for sure. This trade I'm gonna leave placed here. Alright, let's go back to the order flow. Wow, there are so many berry CVD prints here, chat. Look at this. We had another 4 berry CVD prints. Wait, are we at the high of the session now? 6975. No, it's up here, alright. I think we can still retest this high. The highs of the previous session here. 6975. X Neil, how do you trade? You also, it looks like you also use Orderflow. Seems like you also use Orderflow. $1K sells at this size. So 6975 or 7010 is the level, chat, that I'm waiting for. $7010, I already placed that trade. So let's see, we gotta be patient. $6975 looks like a really clean trade as well. In case let me see quickly where my stop loss is. I like guys, I'm gonna wait for 710.50. I don't want to trade the same level as because of this yesterday wick. I don't like this wick from yesterday. I'm gonna wait for this for 710. So let me show you quickly which trade I've placed. So I want to wait for this level 710.50 because then we have a really clean stop loss as well. Most likely gonna wait for this. We will wait for New York Open, which is in 45 minutes anyways. We did retest this level here though on trading here now. As you can see, this 30-minute level was retested now. Let me quickly update this chart with new levels as well for you guys, because I can see them already, but I'm just gonna mark them out for you guys. But right now learning TPO to get, wait, let me see what you wrote. But right now learning, I'm still doing my research using bookmap to confirm on microstructure with speed and absorption signals, behavior on liquidity walls. But right now, learning TPO to get better context level so I can use my knowledge on microstructures to have high probability. Hopefully I'm on the right path. Yeah, you just have to use the tool. That's the most important thing, and get used to it. In the beginning it can look really complicated compared to TradingView. Let me mark out some more levels here that I'm looking at. So this is the level that we hit at during after market close. So I'm gonna remove this here. It's also so unclean, the structure here again. It's such an annoying structure because of it yesterday. I hate these low liquidity pumps. And this was the 1 hour level. I mean, this was so insane. It was hit to the door, but we couldn't trade this chat because of the market was closed there. But this was such a good level. I mean, now this is the next one here. Also close to our entry. I mean, I would like to see this get hit. And then we even have the stop loss above this previous high, which makes the trade even safer. Because if we go in here now, then we have to stop around here, which is kind of bad. I don't really like that. So I want to wait for higher here. We are still pushing. Yeah, but this trade I'm gonna risk, chat. This is a really clean setup. It's right at the wick as well here, right at the wick. And we have an order flow level here as well. So I am gonna wait for this. Or if we go lower, I'm gonna look for a buy, most likely. But for this we need to go a bit lower here. Wait, actually let me quickly look for a long. Let me actually quickly look for a long here that we can place that is in a good spot here. I mean, this is too risky. I'm definitely not gonna long here at the highs of the range, guys. I'm not gonna go into long here. And also not here. 6, 9, 11. How does it look in 5 minutes? I like this actually. I really like this level here. 6, 9, 11. 6, 9, 12 is where I would place it. We have also the VWAP, the anchored VWAP. This one here. Yeah, this looks really clean. What else do we have to the downside further? Actually, not a lot here. Not a lot here. Well, this is also here. Wait, what? Okay, guys, chat. I'm definitely gonna long here. I mean, there's no question almost. We have to place. I'm gonna place one long here as well. This is gonna be a quick 2-hour trade. Don't want to hold this one too long. Yeah, we have a nice stop loss as well, like this. I like it. At 6891, it's at the exact low here. All right. I guess we can leave it like this, chat. Now let me go back to Orderflow. I guess we can actually let it run that way. So let's hope for a bit higher, chat. We have so many bearish CVD prints though, it's crazy. But so far we haven't gone low really. What are you guys looking for? Which trade are you guys looking for? Well, let me know in the chat what trades you personally are taking today. come on. Give us some price action here, chat. It's too boring for New York Open. Like, what is this? We're just slowly going up. We are just slowly going up. By the way, I had a meeting with FundedNext today at 10 AM in the morning, so we might get new accounts to give away soon, next week. Let me actually see if he wrote something. Nope. Not yet. So we might get some new accounts to give away. Is anyone of you shorting already, chat? Is anyone risking a short here? I mean, it is a valid setup to short here. Above the previous day value high, but we need to go below this. If you're in a short, you want to see this lost here. Anyone of you is in a short already? The trade I showed before, we can also hold this for longer. That's the cool thing. I just hope we can go up there. But we can easily hold this for a while, I think. Such a slow movement, chat. 30 more minutes to go. It's gonna be one of these waiting games until New York Open again. I hope we see a bullish New York Open though, and then we can fill the short. I hope we get a decent pullback today. I don't really like trend days like yesterday. Always feels like running in front of a train. Yeah, it is like this, and the thing is, that's what I mentioned last time. The things about the trending days, you have to be really careful with shorts as well. And this, I'm happy that we didn't short the first level yesterday on stream. And the second short that we tried got closed because of the market close. And then we saw a massive pump because of thin liquidity right after market close yesterday. And yeah, so we basically went break even out of the short. But you have to be careful with shorts as well. You know how ES is, chat. It can pump crazy. And I like to look for longs. I said this many times in my stream. I prefer longs over shorts because we are actually still in an uptrend. But we are getting to the highs, so I want to look for one short. I mean, see, I said many times, let me show you on TradingView. I said many times I would never ever look for shorts down here. And now we're at the value high though, and now it's actually, the probability is higher of winning these shorts. But I would never ever look for shorts when ES is at the low of the range, never ever. And we had insane longs here, so that was the right move to long here. I was bullish also last week. A lot of bears got trapped here for sure at these lows. That shorted a ton here. But now we're slowly getting to interesting short areas in my opinion, where you can actually risk a short. Even though we are on high time frames still bullish. I mean, this is the 4-hour time frame here on ES. And honestly, we are still bullish. We are still in uptrend, even if we go down here. We are still in uptrend on high time frame, even if we go down here, chat. This is the crazy thing. We actually have to lose this low for really, and this anchor to VWAP. That would be bearish for sure, but I don't know. ES is still looking bullish. But you can see we're getting to a zone where shorts are becoming interesting right now. So I do want to take some shorts. And then for the best case we go down, and then we can look for longs again from the lows. But yeah, if we break out of here, chat, we're probably gonna go to these highs again if we actually break out of here. So if this happens and we can actually reclaim this, and yes, we have a short placed here. This is hoping for a fake out so we can see something like this. Because I don't trade these levels, chat. I never trade triangles and stuff like this. I trade levels. But this would be a fake out then from the entry we have. And as you can see here with this sell, we have a really clean invalidation as well. Even above this high. Stop loss is even above this high here, which is really good. So yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. "30 minutes to go." I might really need to schedule my streams for New York Open, chat. It's just always so boring the first hour to stream. And I maybe need to start to stream when I'm in a trade, or not always when I'm in a trade, but it is better to stream when I'm in a trade for the algorithm as well. Even though I like to do these streams, but it's just probably not good for the algorithm. Alright, let's go to the order flow at least, so you guys can check the order flow as well. Still above the previous day value high here. Ciao, how's it going? We are waiting. John, how are you doing? Long time no see. Gosh, I'm losing my voice. It's going good. We had a really good week. Not a single losing day yet. But also kind of boring day yesterday. Yesterday was really boring. I want to go into short, but I want to wait a little bit for New York Open. But I would like to see a short today, but I want to go a bit higher. So I would like to see this level here hit 7.015 for a potential short, or we can go for a long from lower again. We have a lot of bearish CVD prints here though. Wait, do we have one on 60-minute time frame? Let me quickly see this. Let me actually quickly check this. Gonna quickly leave. Oh god, I'm losing my voice actually. I have to cannot speak as much anymore. Crazy. Yeah, I was really busy and couldn't really join the past streams. Hey, no problem. No worries at all. But yeah, John, we had an insane trade. We actually longed 6832 down here. We were in a long, but we had to close it obviously on the funded account. But we longed this exact low, by the way. I can show you as well here. You can even still see the level that we traded. It was this low here, this yellow line here. Look at this. Hit to the dollar 6834. As you can see on trading, this was the exact low. We were actually in this trade here, but we were forced out of it. But that was a really clean trade. Yeah, I hope we can go a little bit higher, chat. I hope so. And then we're gonna look for a short, I mean. So if we're on a 60-minute time frame here, this is the 60-minute time frame. We don't have a bearish CVD print yet. Because on 60-minute, these are insanely respected, by the way. I mean, look at this. There was one and we had a massive crash. Here was a bullish one and we pumped. Here was another bullish one. These are so respected on 30-minute. Now I'm quickly gonna go to 30-minute. Oh, I didn't show you. Oops. Sorry, chat. I had trading view open. I didn't show you actually. I had trading view open the whole time. Wait, let me show you again quickly. So this was the order flow level. Look at this yellow line. This is the one we traded. It was hit to the dollar. And we were in a long. Now let me quickly see if we have a bearish CVD print here. We had a lot of false ones here. False CVD prints as well, bearish ones. But this was a really good bullish one here. I don't know, I like to use 60-minute, 5-minute and 15-minute for these prints. What did you write? Did you notice that FundedNext had pretty large spreads to the past few days? No, not really. I think that could be a trader weight issue. Because prop firms use trader weight, and trader weight had a lot of connection issues as well. That wouldn't surprise me. I mean, trader weight had a lot of connection issues the last 2 weeks. It was really annoying. Was really annoying. Let's go here. I need to go eat something quickly. I actually have to eat something, chat, before New York Open. I think we're just gonna leave the stream. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave the stream running though. I'm only gonna be gone for like 10 minutes. But I need to quickly eat something, else I'm gonna die afterwards. This is gonna be crazy. I don't eat anything right now. We are pumping though still, so I'm gonna leave my entry running. I'm gonna leave the entry running in case we go there. And I'm also gonna leave the Orderflow running for you guys, if you wanna have a look at it. I'm gonna be gone for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna be quick though. Alright chat, I'm actually already back. Just took something fast to eat, something quick to eat. Wait, where's my other AirPod? Where is my other... Oh no, wait, I need to get something to drink though quickly anyways. 1 second chat. I will be back, I will be back. Great. 20 minutes to go. And there are still a lot of people buying those here. Who is buying so many contracts here? Still above the daily VWAP though. I would love to see a bit higher chat. So we're gonna short 710, 701050. Wow, now there's some volatility coming in and bigger orders as you can see. This might be an interesting New York Open in 20 minutes to go. Can we hold the previous day value high? That's the question. Can the bulls hold it? 18 minutes to go, chat. So we are switching over to 5 minute now. I want to see 5 minute now. There you go. Quickly waiting for it to load. Alright, now you're on 5 minutes, this is better. "17 minutes to go, chat. Still buyers stepping in here. Still a lot of positive delta. 70 minutes to go. Good morning, Kings. How are you doing, Mr. Ben? Nice to see you again. Haven't seen you yesterday, or were you in the stream yesterday? I don't remember. Maybe you were. Nice to see you again. Are you looking? Yeah, I don't know, man. I kind of don't trust this market right now because of what happened yesterday after the market close. Else I would have looked for a short, but I want to see a bit higher. So this level here, Mr. Ben, this level here was actually hit. Wait, where was it? The wrong template. This level here that I wanted to trade was actually hit after we got the market close yesterday. So yeah, I don't know. I don't trust this. I wanted to go for a sell here again. So I don't really like to trade the levels two times the same level. It was kind of sad because I was looking for the short. And we also hit the 1 hour resistance yesterday. What are you looking for, Mr. Ben? I would like to look for a short today, honestly. I want to look for a short. I want to look for a short today, but I want to have a good entry. And I don't want to rush into anything because I haven't had any losing day. Yesterday was break even. And Monday and Tuesday was really good. So I don't want to force the trade, you know what I mean? Because that level was hit already. But I would like to see a short today. I mean, we can go to the previous day VWAP maybe even again today. Might look for a trade after New York Open. Depending what the order flow is gonna tell us then. Might look for a short then. Patience, exactly. We gotta be patient. I mean, yes, yesterday we didn't trade, but also yesterday we didn't short, which was good. I mean, we didn't enter an early short because all early shorts got wrecked yesterday. But you know what's crazy, Mr. Ben? We actually longed the exact low. We were in a long on stream. I'm gonna post a recap in the next 1 or 2 days. But we did long this level here, by the way. We were actually long this level. And this was the exact low of this whole uptrend move. I mean, this is kind of crazy, chat. We sniped that low nicely. And I even told you back then I would like to hold this trade on my funded accounts, but I can't. And if you re-enter, you have a bad stop loss, you know what I mean? So it's kind of annoying to just re-enter. What are you looking for a trade? I would like to get into a short today. What do we have tomorrow? News tomorrow. Core PPI, alright. Kinda boring day so far again, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Monday and Tuesday was so much fun to stream. And then it just got boring. Same amount of buyers, almost as sellers. I wonder, chat, what do you think? Do you think the high is in? Do you actually think the high is in? We had a lot of bearish CFD prints here, but not on 60-minute time frame. And also not 30 minutes, only on 15 and 5 minutes. If we had a 60-minute one, I would have shorted, by the way, for sure. Because these are insanely respected. I would have tried to short the previous session high. But I don't know, so far no need to panic, chat. We are still above the daily VWAP, actually far above it. Can we hold this though? Can we hold the PST value high? This would be bullish if you hold this level here. 10 minutes for New York Open. Finally, chat, finally. I've waited 50 minutes sitting on my chair doing nothing, and some of you probably as well. So now it's go time soon. I really hope for a bullish open. I mean, if we dump, I'm not gonna enter short here, chat. I wanna have a better entry. I wanna look for an extreme high and then short it. I'm long in the chat, so we've Alan back in the chat. Let's go, Alan is back in the chat. He's long, so you are long right now. What is your stop loss, Alan? What is your actual stop loss on this trade? Don't tell me you went into a scalp long trade right now. I mean, you can, but it would be crazy. Kind of insane how the market didn't react at all to Nvidia earnings. Yeah, that's true. But we must say Ethereum and Bitcoin went up a lot, chat. So Ethereum actually went up, I think it was 18% yesterday. So yeah, now let me see, where's Bitcoin at? Still above 2k Ethereum and Bitcoin at 68k. Only long the chat itself. On no position, only long the chat itself. Alright, you're not in a position. We need the chat to become more active again. That actually pushes my algorithm. So yeah, chat, let's see. I want to wait a bit. I don't want to rush into sell yet, chat. Because this level here that we hit was hit yesterday already. If this was a fresh level, then, and on the first touch I would trade it, but I don't like to enter the same trade. Rather wait for a new untouched level, which is higher, which is at 710.50. But that was pre-earnings. Oh yeah, okay, didn't know that. Post-earnings, crypto went down. I assume the earnings were really well, right? Because of all the AI. Because of the whole AI bubble, the earnings must be good from Nvidia. They were good, right? I didn't check that. I'm waiting on a good setup, possibly the initial balance high and low, and see what happens there. Initial balance high. Also, you're looking for a short or a long. This is what you're basically saying, right? Probably looking for a long at the lows and for a short at the highs. Yeah, I want to see a little bit of stronger pump, and then we're gonna go into sell on all the 10 accounts. But my win rate this week is insane, because I have been really patient this week with setups. So we have we have a profit factor of 4 this week. With 75% win rate. I even posted it, the stat from this week. So I want to be really careful. We're gonna go for one good trade today. And hopefully there will be one good trade. And also if we go to 710, we can hold this trade for longer. Man, I cannot, like my voice is starting to go away. I think I take one of those. My voice is actually going away, chat. I'm not used to streaming that often. But John, how are the earnings? They're insane. Revenue at 68.1 billion instead of anticipated 66. That's crazy. Yeah, it makes sense. They're making a lot of money from the AI bubble as well. What is happening, chat? There were some big sellers and buyers. 15 ES contract sell here. You can see there are a lot of small ones, which obviously have an impact as well, because a lot of small orders also have an impact. And then you can see the big bubbles. These are like single market buys or sells. So the big bubbles are the single orders. So these are usually big, again, 20 contracts bought here. The first one out of the New York session, highs and lows. Either long on a breakout and retest or a liquidity grab above or below and short or long back inside the first hour range. First hour thing, highs and lows. Okay, sounds interesting, yeah. Yeah, I also want to see a bit higher for my short. Or look for a long at around, wait, let me show you. This is where I would like to look for a long, 6, 9, 11. But it's still kind of far away, so I hope we can go a bit higher up to here for my short entry. And then go lower and maybe get a long as well, but that would be crazy. 5 minutes to go for New York Open. And there will be a lot of bubbles coming up soon, chat. So now we have, this is the last candle, chat, before the New York Open. So the next candle will be the New York Open candle again. And I'm gonna give you the countdown for the New York Open once you get closer. So it's 4 minutes and 30 seconds left here. I hope for a bullish New York Open so we can get into short. This is what I hope for. A lot of selling here and the price is not dropping. That's actually, I like to see that so far. But let's see. I mean, 31. Usually if it breaks the first hour highs or lows and trades back inside the range, you can target the other side. Yeah, I know what you mean. So you're basically trading the range. The more you learn, the less you trade. That is true in a lot of futures. It's just really, you know, it's really annoying when I stream and there's like, we're not in a trade. I don't know, it always, but I cannot change my strategy because of that, obviously. But it's just really boring to stream like this. I wouldn't mind if I wouldn't be streaming, you know what I mean? Then I would just go outside and do something. This setup gives a really good RR. Wait, what is the entry for that setup, Alan? Can you give us the entry prices, maybe? So I can have a look at, like which entry are you looking for? Three minutes to go. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. A lot of sellers though, chat. You can see the series is going down with a lot of new sellers. Also negative delta in the last two candles. Let's see what's gonna happen. Might retest this daily VWAP as well. Is it gonna be a bullish or bearish New York Open? What do you think, chat? So far we are going down. A lot of sellers here. We are at the previous day point of control now. Can we hold it? Wow. A lot of sells down here. 933 contracts sold at the previous day point of control. And we had 550 buys, chat. It looks like we held it so far. I mean, this was crazy. A lot of sells into that level. And you have New York Open in 2 minutes. This is going to be interesting. Are we going to trap these sells here, or are we actually going to go lower now? So far it held though. 45 buy. Someone just put 45 contracts here. Also some sells here. Alright, 1 minute left, chat. 1 minute and 4 seconds. We're gonna get to the countdown soon, and then once this candle closes, the next one is the New York Open candle. The New York Open Orderflow. Wow, what is this? A green and red bubble. Wow, a lot of people that dumped here though. I mean, if we trap them, it's gonna be crazy. But it depends if we lose this level or not now. So far, the previous day point held to the dollar so far. Just looking for a quick sweep of the first hour highs or lows and good candle or two. Goes back inside the range, nice. On the 1 minute chart are crazy, trade the 1 minute. We held the level so far, chat, and a lot of new market sellers here. Are they gonna get squeezed? We have new 4 minutes, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, and 1 second, chat, and there we go. New York Open. Oh, but it's always the same thing. It's so crazy. Going to the daily VWAP. Wow, what is happening, chat? A lot of sellers and buyers, as always. We are at the daily VWAP now. Is it gonna hold, chat? Retested the daily VWAP. Can the bulls actually hold this or not? Nope, so far not. It's still New York Open and we like 30 seconds after it. Crazy, chat. A lot of sells here. I mean, we're gonna look for a buy at 6.911, chat. 6.911 have a buy. So I don't mind if you dump here. What a bearish New York Open though, so far. Are we gonna trap them though? This is gonna be interesting, chat. We are at the daily open now, the previous day close. And we have the previous day VWAP lower, and also the previous day value low. So these are all support levels. Here you could also look for a long, but I wanna wait for 6.911. What a crazy dump. It's 1 minute only after New York Open. I mean, this, guys, I think this could reverse. There are a lot of buyers stepping in as well now. Can we reclaim the daily VWAP? That's the question right now. Can we reclaim this? If we reclaim this, guys, then that's kind of bullish. Because of the massive amount of new sells here. If we don't hold this, then we can go lower. I mean, if we don't reclaim this daily VWAP. Such a strong amount, like we had 143 negative delta, so overall 200 contracts more sold, and now overall 600 more sold than bought. And you can see how stacked these sellers are here. A ton of sellers here. 1.8k, 3.1k, 2.5k, 2.2k. And on the right side you can see the buyers. Wait, did my extra charts just crash? No. Now it's back. It was lagging for a second there. Wow. What a massive sell here, chat. 51. So we are gonna wait still, chat. I don't trust this yet. It's 3 minutes after New York Open. 3 minutes only after New York Open. Honestly, people could learn a lot just watching you display patience and only taking quality setups. Yeah, that's I don't think a lot of streamers are so patient, I would say. A lot of streamers are always in trades, like, it's kind of crazy. Let's see though. Yeah, so 6911 or we wait for 710, 7010. This is what I'm waiting for. I mean, we can go to the lows of the previous day value of the previous day. At the daily open again. These cells are not stopping, chat though. We have a lot, 1.1k negative delta. So, really simple. If we reclaim the daily VWAP, chat, we can see a bigger squeeze to the upside, I think. If we stay below it, we're gonna go lower. And then the sellers stay in control. So I'm really looking at this level here. This is the main level that I'm looking at right now. But we can see a rotation back here and then to the highs again. This is also possible. And here's actually a long that if you want to try long, you could wait up for 6936. I'm gonna wait for 6911 because I don't want to rush into the setup here. It's 5 minutes after New York Open, like anything can happen still. There are some buyers here now. Wow, we had a massive amount of sells. And for the fact that we had so many sells, we didn't drop that hard actually. Because there were so many buyers here still. We had a ton of sells but didn't drop as much because there were a lot of buyers that kept buying here. As you can see, there are still buyers coming all the time. Well, we might trigger crypto botters 693650. Yeah, true. We might actually go there. Yeah, we can. Wait, let me see, is there any other level there? 6936. Might actually, this is also previous day value low. And we have another level there. We have this Orderflow level here. I would love to see this though, but it's kind of far away. But this is probably gonna give us some reaction as well. 6937.25. So for anyone that wants to trade this, you can. It's just kind of hard to find a good stop loss here, in my opinion. I mean, we are dumping 6936. Let me quickly check on TradingView if there's anything else. Also the 618 fib, okay. And it's also the 1 hour level as well. I mean, it's not a bad setup. It's not a bad setup. So we all have 3 confluences almost at this level. We hit the 50-minute support now, let's see. Nvidia's 8% of the ES should be a pretty volatile day. Yeah, I think so as well. This might be a massive short squeeze, maybe. So I'm considering going into a long from a little bit higher maybe as well. Even though I have this order I've placed at 691150. This is one of the orders that I've placed, chat. I don't know, we had a ton of sellers, but the price didn't go that low yet. I mean, look at the CVD chart, you can see it well on the CVD chart, how many sellers we actually had here. But the buyers are holding up for sure. Yeah, guys, there are 2 levels, 6937.25 or 6912 for a potential long, in my opinion. Let me quickly see what would be the stop loss if we go out in here. Okay, we could have the stop loss at 6917 and only risk $200. And the stop loss is even below the 0.8 fib of the uptrend from the last 1 hour low, so that's not looking too bad actually, the setup. But let's see, maybe we're gonna go to the short entry, but there are buyers now coming in, holy crap. Perfect retest of the previous day VWAP so far. I want to see, I really think we're gonna go down here maybe though. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this trade actually. It's a nice day trade probably. You have the previous day value low, we have the fib there in the area as well. We have an order flow level here. Yeah, so this or this level, chat, this one I definitely am gonna take. But 6937 looks really nice as well for a long, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, that actually looks also really good. Low of the previous day. I think if we lose 6943, it could be interesting, but we may just trap there and go up. Yeah, we will see. We will see. We are at still at this. Wow. Holy moly. Ton of sellers just sold. Crazy. Can we see a bullish CVD print here soon, maybe? If we see a bullish CVD print here, then we maybe are gonna long this, I guess. I mean, we have 3 confirmations for this trade, but I would love 6911 to be hit. That's a really clean setup, really, really clean. But for that, we must pull back quite a lot, honestly, and I'm still kind of bullish. CryptoBotter, are you gonna take the 6937 long? Are you gonna take it? I'm also considering taking that actually, because it's not a bad setup. With an order flow level, you have the previous day value low. But we have no bullish CVD print yet. We have none yet. Crypto Roboter. I didn't even see this. I will risk it. It's really the last support. Man, these cells are in crazy though, chat. Holy, holy, holy. They don't want to stop here. They don't want to stop. Oh, the sell would have been beautiful as well, chat, I guess. The sell from the previous session high would have been really juicy as well. I think that would be 1.2 or up already. That was a really bearish New York open though. I'm definitely waiting for the first hour. I hope it's bearish the whole time and the wicks the bottom back into the range. I'm really getting close to the order flow level, chat. We are getting close to the order flow level. Wow, what a dump just now. We are dumping, chat. Drop all the shorts. We are getting really close to this order flow level. I'm considering risking one here for $200. But even I would love to go to 690 level. It would be such a clean trade. We are at it now, by the way. It got hit now. Wait, let me see. It actually got hit now, the level, I think. Yes, it was actually hit now, chat. It was actually hit. Let's see. I'm not in a trade yet though. I didn't take this yet. 6911 is the next one. I mean, it got hit to the dollar right now. I don't see a bullish CD print yet though. I mean, this could be the low, chat. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not in it yet though. If we go higher above the daily VWAP, then that's definitely the low probably. Let's see, we didn't reach the previous day value low yet. Now the buys are stepping in. Look at this, chat. Look at this Orderflow level now. I mean, look at this. This is no coincidence here. This is no coincidence, chat. We already saw a reaction. I didn't have it placed. It would have gotten filled. I didn't have it placed. I'm gonna be a little bit patient here, chat. I don't know. We have no bullish CD print yet as well. Let's see. I mean, the short would have been clean as well from the high. But I would have probably closed this short already now. I'm gonna be honest if I shorted from here. Alright, we're dumping still. We retested it again. Alright, now we're going lower. I'm gonna place one limit here at the fib here, I think. I'm gonna risk one trade here for 180 bucks. At 6937. Come on, can we fill it though? I didn't quite fill it yet. I mean, this is a trade that I'm gonna risk, but we didn't fill it yet, chat. No way. Wait, let me show you an order on TradingView. We didn't quite fill it. I had it a little bit above the fib here. We did clearly hit that Orderflow level though. Not filled yet, chat. Yeah, well, let's see. No way, chat. Did we miss it? No way. I think it's gonna go without us, maybe. Come on. Let me fill it, chat. Come on. It's still not filled. No way. I have it at 6937. Still not filled. Because MES is a little bit different. Wait, I didn't have it at... I'm so stupid. I had it at the wrong level. Oh. I had it at the wrong level, actually. Alright, let's see. Maybe it's gonna go back there again. There's no bullish CVD print yet, though, chat. I'm still giving it some time now. Waiting, chat, for the fill. I don't know, I don't like the CVD yet. I placed it to 6930 now at the 0.66 fib. Still looking at the order flow here. Yeah, now it's going to my direction. Come on, a little bit lower though. I have it at 6930. Would love to see the 6 fib hit. Oh, they moved it to 6936 now. We are seeing some buyers here, but still also a lot of sellers, chat. I don't know, I don't like the CVD yet. Don't like the CVD yet, chat. I'm gonna wait. Actually, you know what, I'm canceling this order, chat. Oh no, it actually got filled. Wait, it got filled now, alright. It got filled. Wait. Is it filled everywhere though? Wait, how is it not filled on TradingView but on Topstep? Alright, we are in, chat. Sorry about this. I was considering to wait, but we're gonna leave this now. But I'm not on... This is so strange. It doesn't show on my TradingView accounts. But I'm in here on a TradingView account. I think that's a bug. We are pumping though, chat. I actually got the fill still. I was about to move the order and got the fill. Wait, let me show you on TradingView. I was considering waiting a bit lower for the fib. You can see here we are filled. We're actually filled. But I don't get it. Why don't my... Wait, I need to check this quickly, chat, before I can... Why didn't... Because this is on TradeAway. This is a TradeAway account. And it doesn't show... Is it updated now? I cannot see the P&L from my... No way. What happened here, chat? Why cannot... Why is it not opened on my other FundedNext accounts? Strange. I need to quickly hide the OBS, chat. And check my accounts. Something is not working. Let me see here. I don't know, it didn't open on 4 accounts for some reason, but I have a daily... It looks like it closed on some of the accounts. Like on 4 accounts it closed for some reason. So we might actually go out of this chat soon, because I don't have it open on all the accounts. Like, this is really strange. Maybe because I was about to move it, maybe that's why there was some bug. Yeah, but I'm gonna go out of these here, I think. I'm gonna get out of these chat because I don't have them opened on all of the accounts. So I might wait here. Oh, this is kind of annoying. It's opened on 4 accounts, not on 6 accounts. It's opened on 4, it's not opened. What is the Orderflow doing here? You're seeing some buyers here though, but still not holding, still not going a lot higher here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go out of this at 1 hour. Just because I don't have it opened on all the accounts. It's kind of annoying. Let's see what's gonna happen. We need to hold this though, your chat. We actually need to hold this. Still a lot of sellers here. Is anyone else in the trade, by the way, chat? Is anyone in the trade? This was a little bit messed up here. Sorry about this. Is anyone else in the trade? I might close this though, because we haven't opened it on all the accounts. And I don't know, like this order flow yet. I really don't like it yet. So I'm probably gonna close it in green and wait for 6911. So many sellers here still. What is going on though? Already, so we have it opened. I checked now. We have it opened on 6 accounts out of 10, chat. I have no idea why it didn't open on my all of the accounts, so I need to check this issue as well. It's really annoying right now. Yeah, I'm probably gonna close this chat. I don't know. I'm waiting a little bit more though. But I'm gonna go probably out of this. I'm also not so convicted of this trade, actually, I'm gonna be honest. There's still a lot of sellers here. But we hit the 1 hour, we hit the fib now as well. The 618 fib is also hit here on TradingView. But we need to see some buyers here. I mean, else it's looking bad. And I would love to see some bullish CVD print. If we see a bullish CVD print, chat, I'm gonna hold it on 6 accounts. Right now, no bullish CVD print. And this happens after candle closes. Let's see, maybe now there's gonna be one. Nope, not yet. It is holding though, chat. It is holding for now. Are we actually gonna trap these shorts? I mean, it's fine that I only have it open on 6 accounts. It's actually fine because it's not the best setup. It's not the best setup. So it's actually not too annoying. But it's kind of weird. I need to fix this. I don't know why only 6 accounts are working. We are seeing buyers, chat. Maybe we did enter a nice... I mean, this is an okay setup, but it's not an A+ setup. But I don't know, I like the fact that we've seen so many sellers here, and I think maybe we're gonna trap them. 0.5 are up already, but only on 6 accounts, so... Come on, chat, we need more buyers. We need more buyers. It's looking a little bit better though now. We didn't break the previous day value low. I really need to fix this though. I don't know why this... I have no idea why it didn't open on all the accounts. I think maybe because I tried to close it as well. I think that could be it. Let's please now go back to the previous day point of control, chat. A lot of sellers still. What is going on? We need to hold this though. I mean, the stop loss is far away, but still. I don't really want to see us lose this level here. Here you can see it better. We are at this level now, chat. We need to hold this level here. But here we've been for a long time before as well in this session, so it can take some time. I don't want to lose this though here. Because if we lose this, we're gonna go here next. I don't know, chat. I don't like this CVD yet. Yeah, we need to hold. It needs to go above 6.943. I don't like this yet, chat. There are so many sellers. We had buyers here and they just didn't manage to hold the level. So the stop loss is at 6.950. 6.950 of this trade. I mean, we only took it on 6 accounts, so even if we lose it, it's not that... I went out, break even seems to be early for a squeeze, yeah. I don't know, man. The price action is really strange right now. I'm still in the trade right now. I'm just gonna hold it a little bit longer here. But no bullish CVD yet as well. No bullish CVD print. I'm gonna go... Wait, what the hell just happened? 21 buys. I just wanted to switch the time frame, but I guess we just leave it for now. Come on, we need to go above the chat. But we need more buyers here. Slight in profit again, almost nothing though, basically break even. I don't know, chat, it doesn't look too juicy yet. Not a strong reaction as well so far. How long have you been here? For 20 minutes, 15 minutes now. It's 4 PM only though. There are some buyers now stepping in. Volume is also increasing a bit. Gonna give it some more time, but if we go lower, I'm probably gonna close this for a small loss. I don't care. Still a lot of people dumping here. 6 fib is at 6,930. Still in the trade, chat. I'm still in this trade. Alright, we hit the 6 fib now. Still a ton of new sellers. 800 negative delta, chat. I mean, this is crazy. We're only 300 in loss though, because it's only on 6 accounts. But we are dumping, chat. I mean, we are dumping. Yeah, this might be a stop loss, chat. I have it stop loss at 6,950. I'm gonna place one more long at 6,911. I just hope this is gonna get opened on all accounts. But I have the stop. I'm gonna leave the stop loss here at 6,915. Gonna let it run. Because it's only open on 6 accounts, so we're just gonna leave this one running, honestly. But it doesn't look bullish at all yet. We lost the previous day value low, chat, as well. I don't know what's going on with the order flow right now. I think I'm lagging a bit, chat. But we are seeing some buys, which is good. Yeah, I think I was just lagging. Let me check if I had dropped frames. Looked like it, yeah, I think I was lagging like crazy. The order flow didn't move at all. I'm still in the trade, chat. I'm still in the trade. I'm just gonna hold this. I have it open on 6 accounts. I mean, we're just gonna hold this one. We're in drawdown right now, though. We are getting close to entry again, though, chat. We are getting closer to entry again. I cannot believe it. Still in the trade. Actually, we're almost at break even now. Crazy. What is this market today, chat? What is this market doing to us? I mean, we should have... I guess this would have been the sell of the day here. At the high of the previous range. Yeah, I guess it would have been it. Still in the long though, chat. I'm gonna hold this here. I mean, this was a strange New York Open as well. I hope we can reclaim this. If we actually reclaim this now, this would be good for my trade. I hope we can go above this range here again. So So I hope the low is in, chat, and we're not gonna go below this range here. I'm in a trade right now, TC plan. I am in a long, but it's not the best entry. We are in drawdown right now. I'm in one long, but only on 6 accounts, because it opened only on 6 accounts for some reason. So I need to also check this. I have no idea what's going on today. I'm probably gonna, honestly guys, I hope we can close this screen, and then I need to check my trade copier. Like, this is strange. I don't like to trade like this if, yeah, the software is not working. Tarun, how are you doing? We are in a long, well, let's see. I don't know, I don't like this yet, chat. We need to reclaim this. If we don't reclaim this, it's not looking good. We need to actually reclaim the low of yesterday. That would be nice. Then I'm gonna hold this, chat. Then we're gonna hold onto this trade. I mean, we already hold onto it. I'm an 8-year-old hustling designer. If I make time about the formulas for your life, will you consider it? I had someone like this on Twitch, actually. Yeah, Ed, text me on Discord. I'm gonna, and send me an example of a thumbnail. Or create one for the live stream so we can check it out. Gonna use it for the next live stream. See if I get more viewers. But yeah, if you can, I'm looking for one, yeah. If you're good at it. Already got a video editor, so I need maybe some thumbnail designer would be not bad as well. You can send me a message on Discord or on X. Chat, what is going on with the price today? I don't really like this so far. It's long. I mean, our stop is below the 0.8 fib, which is actually kind of good. So yeah, if we lose this 0.8 fib, we're gonna go to the next entry. Batch is your editor now. No, it's another one that I used before. Well, I'm testing him. Chat, are we gonna pump or not? What do you think? I mean, this is such a strange CVD. We have also no bullish CVD print yet, which I would love to see. I would love to see a bullish CVD print here for my long, but it hasn't happened yet. And now my AirPods stopped to work. Guys, I need to go pee. I hope we're gonna pump, but I'm gonna leave the order the way it is. I need to quickly go pee. Alright, chat, I'm back. Are we pumping a little bit? A tiny little bit. We need a bigger though. We need a bigger pump here. It's good that I only have this opened on 6 accounts though. It's not the best setup. So I don't mind having it only open on 6 accounts. We need to reclaim this, chat. This is the most important level that we are going for right now. Come on. Maybe we can actually do it now. Oh, still a lot of cells here. Can I do car POV videos sometime? Probably, yeah. Probably gonna do more of these videos, but I want to focus on my trading streams. I like that. Oh, guys, we are not pumping. There's still a lot of new sellers here. I don't know, chat. This is looking strange. Come on. It would be a clean... If we reclaim this, it's actually a clean trade. I can close it here again at 6965 or even at the VWAP. Just go out of it. But it doesn't look like the bears are gonna let us go up there. Whoa, massive amount of cells. Holy. Yeah, it just doesn't look good, man. Yep, that is it probably, chat. 6950 is a stop loss, 6950. What a dump is this, chat? Yeah, it's probably gonna be a stop loss here. I mean, it's getting close now. Now we're at this 0.8 FIB. This is our last hope. Nah, I think this is gonna go hit stop loss, chat. I don't know. Wait, let me buy. Market will explode. My stop loss is ignored on trader weight. Wait, really? Yeah, we should have waited for 6930. I might get into a long there though. I might still long this. Yeah, I'm gonna long 6912. We only took this on 3 accounts in case we go there. This is the last long for today though, chat. If we lose this, then I'm done. Still in the first trade though. We haven't been stopped out yet, but I think we will get. I mean, this is insane, these cells. Trader had a lot of problems. Yeah, that's true. We're getting close to the stop loss here. And I'm gonna place one more at 69, what is it? 6912. 6913. And I hope this one is gonna open on all accounts, chat. So I'm gonna place one more there. And this would be the last one. It's almost hit 6913. Come on. Alright, it got hit. Let's see if it opened on all accounts. Don't tell me it didn't open on all. No way, chat. Something is seriously bugged. Something is seriously bugged on my trade copier. I don't know what's going on. Alright guys, I'm gonna close this actually. Or wait, where's it opened? Oh, I need to fix this. This is so annoying. I don't know what happened to my trade copier. Like, it doesn't trade on some accounts. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, guys, I'm probably just gonna close this. Like, I can't trade like this. It's crazy. We are in one trade though still, but I don't even know where this is opened, unrealized. Alright, it is on this account. What a dump. Yeah guys, I'm gonna close this. I need to fix my trade copier, and it doesn't look like the reaction is anyways gonna happen. Like, I have to stop us at 890. We're gonna go out of this like really bearish market right now. I'm just gonna close all my trades right now. Like, this was not a good day. Minus 2k, I mean, it's not too bad. Minus 2k, chat. But I cannot trade on half the accounts. Like, it's really strange, chat. I need to fix this. I'm sorry about this today, but I have to fix this. I'll see you again. I'm not in a trade now. I'm gonna not trade right now. I've lost one trade now. No, 1.5 trades on Topstep, and on 4 FundedNext accounts it didn't open, it only opened on 1. So I don't know why it didn't open on the other accounts. It's really strange. I sent my formula on Discord. Yeah guys, I'm gonna go off. It's negative day today though. You can see on top minus 2k. It's not too bad though. Could have been worse. Could have been worse actually. Still in profit on the week, but yeah, not the best day. But I need to fix my accounts. I don't know what's going on here. Alright, but I'm gonna stop the trade for today, guys. Like, today's not a good trading day. I'm gonna trade again tomorrow. So, yeah, we'll take the loss today. Should have shorted today. I mean, this is insane, chat. We should have just shorted here. Alright, chat. I wish you a nice evening. See you again tomorrow. Today it was not the best day, but I need to fix my trade copy. Like, I can't trade like this. So see you again. Thank you for watching. I'm not gonna trade anymore today because